Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the assignment with the stories Night and the poem First They Came for the Communists out of our Springboard texts. So remember, you get into Springboard through Clever. When you get in there, remember you're going to click on View eBook or just eBook, either one. I'm going to go up to the table of contents, and you can put in the page number, or another way to get there is we are in Unit 3. So I can click Next until I get to Unit 3, and we're going to be on Activity 3.4. And let me just check the page number on this. So this would be page 232. If you just want to type in the page number up here, you can always just type in 232, and that should take us to the same page. So when you get in here, you're going to scroll down until you find there's a picture of Elie Wiesel, who read his Nobel Prize speech in our multimedia unit. And this is from his memoir, Night. So you're going to read this. Remember, you can listen to the audio, too. Read through this, and when you get all done with this, on the same activity, we're going to scroll way down past all the questions. You'll see another picture of a man named Martin Niemöller. He was a pastor during World War II, and he wrote this very famous poem called First They Came for the Communists. So you'll read through that. Once you've read through the story and the poem, you go into Schoology, and you can start working on the Night and First They Came questions. Note that questions 1 through 7 are about the story Night, and questions 8 through 9 are about the poem. Question 10 is about both of the texts. So when you go in and answer those questions, take note of that. You will have 3 attempts, so if you don't like your score on the first one, you can go in and try it again. Try it one more time after that. If you need more than 3 attempts, please talk to me, and I can try to open it back up for you if you need another attempt.